Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. We're really excited because Megan's still here.
Do you know what this reminds me of? USBs.
Not even a little bit, but today we're gonna do an episode with a bunch of mini items that plug into your computer and are powered by USB. So I'm really excited. I found them all on Amazon.
Also, what's with the granola bars?
It's for the mini vacuum we're gonna try out.
Oh!
Let's begin. College, laptops.
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna throw it.
So first up we have what is called the world's smallest vacuum.
Oh my god, it looks like a platypus! Or a shark!
Okay, I'm so into this, but like, why would you ever buy
What
this?
kind of animals are you?
It does look like a
Well,
sea creature.
for example, if you like to snack, oh no, crumbs, what are we gonna do?
Oh, I know, Megan, bring in your tiny USB vacuum. Whoa!
You know, it is working. This is kind of a lot of crumbs. This is a big job for it.
This would be good for dust.
It has no practical use, but it's adorable.
Or you can clean the dust in your laptop!
Now that is satisfying.
Don't get the crumbs on the laptop though. What is this? Is this a vapor
oil-
humidifier?
oil?
Oil diffuser?
Essential
That.
oils.
Oil diffuser?
Let me plug my essential oil diffuser
Wait.
into my laptop.
Ooh.
Look at is it
It
like
lit up.
ooh, that's
Ooh.
cute. Ooh, boiling.
Oh my god, help me with my
It
sinuses.
was boiling.
It's changing colors, which is cool.
This is
Wow.
very fun. I feel like I'm at a very calm rave.
This is cool.
Ugh. Raves.
It's my kind of rave.
Yeah.
Have you guys been to a rave before?
No.
Does like a EDM concert count as a rave?
No.
No.
What,
Unless the people that wear
It
it
has
are
to
like
be in
the
a
characteris-
warehouse and like Kesha
And like
has
furry
to be
socks,
there.
and at least 3 people have to have like potentially died.
No, never been to one of
Yeah.
those. Before we get humidified, we're
Right.
gonna need to, or after I guess, we'll need to cool off with our
Oh my God.
tabletop
Now
fan.
this
Is it rainbow or is that just me?
Adorable.
You
It's
mean?
kind of like rose goldy
Yeah.
vibes. Huh?
I think it's just reflecting off
Yeah.
All right, go for it. It's plugged in.
that. Okay.
Wow, I can feel it over here. That
not
actually
bad.
works.
It's a very delicate fan, but it's nice. It would
Yeah,
be nice
it's
for your
nice.
desk.
Yeah,
it's
it's
nice
a
little Beyonce
non-threatening
fan
fan.
if you wanted to take some selfies.
Definitely not a Beyonce fan. They'd be
You-
way louder.
Oh wait.
You slay, I slay, you slay, girl.
These actually would come in so much handy in my apartment right now because I do not have heat. And I wake up in the
neither.
morning and I'm on my laptop and my fingers get so cold. I have all of my blankets around me and I'm just like sitting there like this.
These look so DIY. Like these look like you made them. Wow.
Ooh, they're
These
already
are
warm.
cute though. This is a really cute concept. If you don't, well, it would be hard to get electrocuted this way. Cause I mean, it is just a USB. Like if you were plugged into the wall with this,
Why would you get electrocuted?
What if you spilled water on it?
yeah. Should
Don't
we try it?
Leaves your fingers free
For like texting and things?
for text messages.
Okay, so does this little guy come off so you can
yeah,
cover
if
up
you
your
wanted to
fingers?
use it as a
Why don't
mitten
you
as
just use
well.
hand warmers?
Honestly, our office here
For when you're
is
t-
so
like,
cold. A
on
lot
our
of people
computer,
wear
though?
these gloves.
That's true. I'm not feeling it that much.
Really?
Well, I also have really bad circulation, so I feel like I would need a lot of warmth.
Yours doesn't feel as warm. Mine does.
No, yours
Well,
doesn't feel
that
warm
we're
at
just
all
all
to me.
Really?
holding hands
I know.
together.
I feel very close to you guys right now.
Yeah.
Lils,
Y'all
what's
wanna-
next? I'm just over here waiting for this.
Yeah, we still have not been humidified.
This is honestly what I was most excited about.
Do you want to know what I'm most excited
What? Is that a refrigerator?
Oh, it's just for one beer.
Stop.
about? 2 cans! Never mind.
No. There's so much
Close.
dead space.
Here, wait. No, maybe if you
Oh, there we
stack
go.
them first.
That is so cool. Here, let's
You
plug
need
it
a
in.
mini fridge in your room.
I was thinking that.
I should get you one
But
for
then,
like a birthday or
but then I was
something.
like,
Oh, your
I
birthday
live
is coming
alone,
up.
so is that weird to have a mini fridge in your room when like
Maybe you just need a zip line from your main fridge. Some sort of like
Like one of those little little robots that can
yeah.
like.
or like you know for old people they have those chairs that go up the stairs.
Yep.
The Elite moves up and down your staircase with power and efficiency.
I don't have any stairs; it just goes around the apartment.
No, I think you need a
It's a
mini
great
fridge.
idea.
Thanks, guys.
This
Yeah,
is
so it is
cute.
the size of a beer bottle if you are classy, not me, or 2 cans, which
It already
great.
feels cold on the front, like up here. I don't know if it's just the material,
I
but
know,
it
I
does
wonder
feel
how long
cold.
it needs to.
It's not on though. I'm gonna turn it on.
We're at 39%,
Is
guys.
one line on or 2 lines on?
I think it's low power and then higher power.
2?
So it's already on.
Like cold and really cold?
Oh yeah, now I can feel it. This doubles as a fan out the back.
No, I feel like this is which way do you think
No,
it's
this
on?
is right. It's on. I can. It's functioning.
Like
Yep.
this is like really cold and that's like frozen and then that's just sort of cold.
I don't think.
How do you
that's
turn it off
how that
then?
works.
I think the circle is off.
Okay. Like
Yeah.
an in between, you
I
mean?
think.
Oh,
That actually could
actually,
be-
you're right.
Am I? That's exciting.
You are! It's
Yeah.
not that hot.
They're like warm though. I mean,
No.
they're
Oh,
not
they're
plugged
off.
in.
It's because I unplugged them.
I'm just wearing gloves.
I mean, they were already pretty cold, but I just want to.
That's cold. Like that little piece of metal is cold.
Oh, it is.
That's cool.
You know, a lot of the time I waste Dr. Peppers because I'll like open it, drink half it, and then I like go to a meeting or something, and it gets a little warm, and I'm like, I don't want a warm one.
In your desk.
Now I can
Or-
store it in my little desk refrigerator.
Or ice.
That dilutes the
Yeah, I was
property
like,
of the
"Mm."
DP for you.
Moving
No
on.
one likes diluted DP.
So this is a little flour, and get it because flowers smell good. So this is like a little Febreze thing, basically. It's
not a real USB.
Did I do it wrong?
No, it's not a real USB.
No, you're not. You're
What?
plugging it into the charger.
The second one. It's just not a really. Oh.
Oh,
It looked
didn't
so
look.
skinny.
It looked fake.
It did.
Okay, cute.
It's not a decoration. Does it smell?
It
smells
if you put your
before.
face next to it. It's very aromatic.
I don't like it.
It
smells like
doesn't smell
shaving
bad.
cream. Smells like a bathroom.
To like mask
It does
the
actually
other
smell
smells.
kind of like a public bathroom.
Yeah.
I hate bathroom smells.
Yeah.
Like this, like I don't even hate this. Like obviously not a big fan of like the smells that like happen in bathrooms, but the smells that you use to cover up what happens in a bathroom just
I think
smell
it's
like a
like-
bathroom, and I associate it with that.
Because
Yeah.
the smells they need to overpower the other smells are so
Which
strong. that,
Smell like bathroom, like fresh linen and
Freesia.
yes.
What is
oh,
that even?
What the fuck
What
is
is freesia?
freesia? It's a flower, I think.
Else, what's next?
Okay, now we have a glasses cleaner.
What?
I'm not really sure. So this is what the inside looks like. Can we see?
Looks like a Brita.
It does look like a
Kind
Brita.
of, yeah. Just cute.
Okay, they fit nicely in there. And then you put the top back on, then just turn it on. There's 2 settings again. Should we go on the double one?
Yeah, all the
Wow.
way.
Do you think all like on and off buttons are like that, and none of us really realize that?
But like what for a computer, it's not like there would be like
No,
half
but like
on
when you,
buttons.
because I've seen those like style of on-off buttons all the time. I never really like thought about it.
I have one of my space heater.
Oh.
It's like hot, very hot.
But they're still wet.
Yeah, how do you dry them? Is there a drying process? So
fuck?
we just put this in a thing of water that
Yeah, if there was like a dryer inside, that would have been awesome. And this little
Yeah.
guy just must spin around inside and get the water all over.
Can you just dip it in water?
yeah.
That's what I did when I had glasses.
Yeah, I'm very unsure how the oscillating thing is gonna
word.
change anything.
It is a good word, a good oscillation chamber.
And Jocelyn,
Yes!
this is for you.
What?
Oh, I've always thought about these.
Oh my gosh, okay, I see what's coming. Is that a cup warmer?
It is indeed.
Oh, this is so cute!
And we have a cup of cold tea here. I don't think it'll heat up. I doubt it's powerful enough to heat up something cold, but it'll probably help keep something warm.
And I like that it's like kind of got the wood.
Or it'll like keep something
aesthetically
hot
pleasing.
warm, maybe.
very aesthetically pleasing.
This does get very warm.
I'm afraid though, because it's metal, so I'm like, wouldn't it get like metal's
hot?
a conductor? Auga.
Crap.
I also just hate the idea of my liquid beverage being tethered to my electronic
It's not
device.
tethered.
But no, but do you know what I mean? Like,
If it like spilled, oh gosh,
Yeah.
stresses me out.
and like this has a lip on it, like so like it's staying there, like not permanently. But if you like stood up and like knocked this,
This is really cute though.
Okay.
I'm impressed.
I'm a little disappointed.
You are?
what did
like
you
they're-
want though? Like, what was your goal? Like, you like this, right?
I guess I have one win.
This
Two
is-
wins.
I think
This
the
is
whole
still
thing
cute.
is like
it spills stuff everywhere.
I think
but-
ultimately the reason why nothing's that cool is because like you're just using your computer as a power outlet. So it'd be like, let's do a whole episode of like things that require electricity. Like that's kind
But
of
they
what
were
this
cute
is.
because they were small.
I do like small things.
I thought you would appreciate it.
I love the minis.
This is the
When I saw world's
cutest.
smallest vacuum, I knew we had to have some kind of episode.
Do you think it's actually the world's smallest?
I can't imagine they would have any smaller. It doesn't seem like it would have much of a purpose.
True. Like the world's smallest and functional vacuum.
True. Yeah.
As opposed to one that.
Like just like a miniature, like you
Just
put
like
it in
a
a
figurine.
diorama.
Okay.
We'll
Jocelyn's gonna keep cleaning up the table, but I think the episode's over. I'm gonna keep this for my office.
No, we should get. Hey, don't listen to this. Don't listen. Close your
Close your ears.
Close your ears. We should get Lily a mini for her birthday.
Do you guys agree?
Right?
Hit
No,
the
she's gonna
comment.
read the comments. Jocelyn,
If you
don't
agree.
comment.
Don't
Just hey, no. If you
comment.
think we should do
Just
that,
kidding.
follow Jocelyn and I on Instagram.
Oh my gosh, if you think we should get Lily what we're getting her for her birthday.
The episode's over. Bye.
Bye.
You guys, Sinead and I switched lives for a day, and if you want to check it out, you better click that box on the screen.